how to read 0.125 in words. Okay. Okay, let me give you some basic. After decimal point we have fractional part, and before decimal we have whole number part. The whole number part here is 0, and the fractional part is decimal 1 to 5. In informal way we say it like this: 0.125. This is informal way. But formal way, what is the formal way? Look, after decimal we have tens column, tenth column, hundreds column, and thousands column. In tens column we have 1, in hundreds column we have 2, in thousands column we have 5. So first, this say this as a whole number, ignoring decimal. The whole number is 125. That is, we say this 125. We use hyphen for number 21 to 99. So fractional part as a whole number 125. Then the column, this is the farthest digit from left to right after decimal. 5 is in which column? Tenths column, hundreds column, thousands column. So write the name of the column. Thousands. 125. 125. 5 is in thousands. So in formal way we say this is 125 thousands, or you can say 125 thousands of a whole. If you convert this decimal to fraction, then what will happen? For decimal consider 1, and for every digit after decimal write 0. 3 digit 3 0. So this is 125 thousands.